Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of money management apps. You know, those helpful tools that promise to make budgeting a breeze and get your finances singing like kumbaya. But with so many options out there, it's hard to know which app is the real deal and which ones are just empty promises. That's why I wanted to take a closer look at Snoop, an app with a name that might make you think of smooth rhymes and chronic budgeting tips. But the big question is, does Snoop actually cost you money? Let's break it down and see if this app is worth adding to your financial fight club. Free as a bird, or almost. Alright, so the good news first. Snoop offers a completely free tier. There's no subscription fee, no hidden charges, just pure, unadulterated budgeting bliss. Well, almost. The free version lets you connect your bank accounts, track your spending, and even set up basic budgets. Think of it as the Snoop Lite, giving you a taste of the app's core functionalities. This can be a great option if you're just starting out with money management and want to see if Snoop vibes with your budgeting style. Snoop Plus, the upgrade. But here's where things get interesting. Snoop also offers a premium version called Snoop Plus. Now, this is where the app starts rapping about a subscription fee. Snoop Plus unlocks a whole new set of features, like personalized budgeting insights, bill switching assistance, think finding cheaper deals for your cable or phone plan, and even credit score monitoring. These features can be super helpful, especially if you're looking to take your budgeting game to the next level. But is the upgrade worth the price? That depends. If you're a budgeting pro who already has a solid system in place, the free version might be enough. However, if you're constantly battling overspending or want some extra help with bill management, Snoop Plus could be your financial wingman. The cost of Snoop. Alright, let's talk specifics. The Snoop Plus subscription comes in two flavors, monthly and annual. The monthly fee will set you back around $5, which isn't too shabby. But if you commit to a year up front, you can snag a discount and pay something closer to $40. Here's the Snoop Dogfather clause. Now, before you go signing up for Snoop Plus like yesterday, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, Snoop makes some of its money by recommending financial products and services. While they claim they only suggest the best deals, it's always a good practice to do your own research before switching providers. Second, Snoop also uses anonymized data to provide insights to businesses. While they assure you your personal information is never shared, if you're super privacy conscious, this might be a turn-off. The verdict, Snoop Dogg or Snoop Drool? So, is Snoop the ultimate money management app? The answer, like most things in life, is it depends. The free version is a solid option for basic budgeting needs. Snoop Plus offers some valuable features, but the subscription fee might not be worth it for everyone. Ultimately, the best way to find out if Snoop is right for you is to download the app and give it a try. The free tier lets you explore its functionalities and see if it fits your budgeting style. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your finances on fleek.